Hi everyone. I hope you had a great Easter. We had a wonderful time. It was a beautiful day. The kids played outside. They did an egg hunt. If you have some time, look at my video. Right now, what I'm going to be making for you is meat stuffed peppers. I like to use red peppers. You could use green, orange, yellow, whatever you want. I like the red. So I have a pound of beef, chopped beef. And to this I'm gonna add 2 eggs, a little salt, about a teaspoon. This is the tops of the peppers. We're gonna put the tops of the peppers in there.
Not the stems, right?
Yeah, well, yeah, it's just, I guess you could call it the stems, but it's the top of the pepper. Anyway, in here I have 2 large garlic cloves, a handful of Italian parsley, and a half a small onion chopped with my trusty little mini chopper. I love my mini chopper. Okay. To this, I'm going to add about a half a cup of breadcrumbs. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. I like to go by the feel and the look. And here's a half a cup of grated pecorino romano. And I have some marinara sauce in here. Recipe for my marinara sauce is down below in the videos. What I have here is 3 peppers, which is going to make 6 servings. Okay, so I'm going to mix this up. So what I'm going to do is take the peppers and fill them up. So what I'm going to do is take the marinara sauce that I have. I mean, for those of you who don't want to make it, you could use the jar sauce, but why make a jar sauce on a homemade pepper? You know what I'm saying? Where'd my spoon go?
There it is.
All right, here. Perfecto! Okay, now you're gonna bake them about 35 minutes, maybe 40, but like I said, 10 minutes before they're done, you're gonna put some mozzarella on them, okay? I'll be back when they're ready to come out of the oven. So it's been in the oven about 30 minutes. I'm gonna put some mozzarella on it and put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Smells good. Okay. Back in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay. See you when it's done. Okay, so it was in the oven for 40 minutes. And I'm going to try it now. That is really good. I hope you try it. And until next time, bon appetit.